Discover the top 5 tools for data quality monitoring in MLOps. By the end of this video, you'll know how to select the best tools to maintain data integrity and enhance model performance. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a critical aspect of MLOps data quality monitoring. Did you know that according to a recent study, over 80% of AI models fail due to poor data quality? In this video, we'll explore the top 5 tools to help you maintain data integrity and boost your model's performance. Whether you're just starting or looking to enhance your current systems, these tools will provide the support you need. So, let's get started and ensure your data is as reliable as your models.
Data quality forms the backbone of any successful machine learning operation. In the realm of MLOps, quality data is not just a necessity, it's a critical component that influences every decision your model makes. High-quality data ensures accurate and unbiased model predictions, while poor data quality can lead to skewed results and eroded trust. It's especially crucial during the training and testing phases, where any inaccuracies can exponentially affect model performance. Moreover, in today's regulatory landscape, maintaining data quality is essential for compliance and trustworthiness. As we move forward, remember that data quality isn't just about accuracy, it's about ensuring your models are reliable and ethical. Selecting the right data quality monitoring tool requires a clear understanding of your goals and existing infrastructure. Start by defining what you need to achieve with data quality monitoring, whether it's improving accuracy, reducing bias, or ensuring compliance. Next, consider how well the tool integrates with your existing systems and workflows, as seamless integration can save time and resources. Ease of use is another critical factor. A tool with a steep learning curve might not be the best fit for every team. Real-time monitoring capabilities are essential, as they allow you to catch and address issues promptly. Finally, robust community support and comprehensive documentation can greatly enhance your experience with the tool, providing valuable resources and troubleshooting assistance. Our first tool is Great Expectations, a powerful open-source framework for data validation. Great Expectations allows you to define, execute, and monitor data expectations, ensuring your data meets the required standards before it's fed into your models. It supports a variety of data sources, making it a versatile choice for diverse data environments. One of its standout features is automated data profiling, which helps you identify potential data issues early on. With its comprehensive documentation and active community, Great Expectations is ideal for catching discrepancies and maintaining data integrity. It's a must-have for teams looking to implement a robust data validation process. Next up is TensorFlow Data Validation, a tool specifically designed for the TensorFlow ecosystem. It offers scalable and efficient data validation, seamlessly integrating with TensorFlow Extended (TFX) pipelines. This tool provides detailed visualizations of data distributions and helps identify anomalies, making it an excellent choice for TensorFlow-based projects. Its integration capabilities allow you to incorporate data quality checks directly into your existing workflows. TensorFlow Data Validation's visualization features are particularly useful for understanding data patterns and ensuring consistency across training and serving datasets, thus maintaining the reliability of your models. DataRobot is an AI-driven platform that offers comprehensive data quality monitoring with automated capabilities. It simplifies the process by automating routine checks and generating alerts for potential issues. DataRobot provides valuable insights into model performance, helping you understand the impact of data quality on your AI models. Its ability to integrate with a wide range of data sources makes it a versatile choice for any team. If you're looking to reduce manual monitoring efforts and leverage AI for data quality management, DataRobot is a top contender. Its automation features allow teams to focus on strategic tasks while ensuring data reliability.
Monte Carlo is an automated data observability platform that enhances data reliability by providing real-time insights and alerts. It continuously monitors your data pipelines, detecting anomalies and issues before they impact your models. Monte Carlo integrates seamlessly with leading data tools, offering a unified view of your data ecosystem. Its real-time alert system ensures you're always informed about potential data quality issues, allowing for timely intervention. Monte Carlo's focus on enhancing data reliability makes it an invaluable tool for maintaining trust in your data-driven processes. Anomalo stands out with its advanced anomaly detection and automatic correction features. This tool is designed to identify and correct data quality issues across a wide range of data types, providing real-time insights through intuitive dashboards. Anomalo's ability to proactively manage data quality makes it an ideal choice for teams looking to minimize data-related risks. Its real-time capabilities allow you to address issues as they arise, ensuring your models are trained and evaluated on the highest quality data possible. Anomalo helps maintain data integrity, supporting the overall success of your MLOps initiatives. Choosing the right tool depends on your specific needs and existing infrastructure. Great Expectations offers open source flexibility, making it ideal for teams that need a customizable solution. TensorFlow Data Validation is perfect for those deeply integrated into the TensorFlow ecosystem. If automation is your priority, Data Robot's AI-driven approach will suit your needs. For comprehensive observability and real-time alerts, Monte Carlo is the tool of choice. Lastly, Anomaly's proactive anomaly management capabilities are perfect for teams that need to detect and correct issues swiftly. Evaluate these tools based on your use case to find the best fit for your MLOps environment. As we wrap up, remember that data quality is the cornerstone of successful MLOps. The tools we covered: Great Expectations, TensorFlow Data Validation, Data Robot, Monte Carlo, and Anomaly each offer unique benefits tailored to different needs. Selecting the right tool involves understanding your specific requirements and existing systems. We encourage you to explore these options further and consider how they can integrate into your workflows. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and comment on which tool you are most excited to try. Let us know if there are other topics you'd like us to cover. Thanks for watching.